Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve question number 9 and 10 of exercise 9.1. Some applications of trigonometry of class 10 math from NCERT textbook. So, in question number 9, it has been said that the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of tower is 30 and the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the foot of building is 60. If the tower is 50-meter high, then find the height of building. Okay. So to try to draw a simple diagram first to represent whole of the problem. Okay. So it is given there is a tower and a building. Okay. A tower and a building. Suppose this is a tower and this is a building, and the tower is and height of the tower is given, which is 50 meter above the ground. Okay. And also given the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of tower. This is the top of a building and foot of the tower. Okay. So angle of elevation is given, which is 30 degree. Okay. And again given the angle of elevation top of the tower from the foot of building, which is 60 degree. This is given 60 degree. Then we have to ask, find the height of the building. So let height of the building is h. Now naming the point in the triangle. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. So from here CD is a tower and AB is a building. Okay. From the foot of tower, the top of building, angle of elevation 30 degree, and from the foot of the building, the top of tower, angle of elevation is 60 degree. Then we need to find height. So to find the height of building, we choose tan trigonometric ratio. To choose tan trigonometric ratio means tan 30 and tan 60. So write this is question number 9. In right triangle ABC tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, perpendicular upon base, and base is BC. So value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 equal to AB is h and BC equal to, this is BC, and from after simplification BC equal to h under root 3. Okay, h under root 3. And now taking right angle triangle BCD. Okay, so in right triangle BCD tan 60 degree, tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular means CD and base is BC. So perpendicular length of triangle BCD is 50, means height of the tower 50 meter, and BC we have to find already, h under root 3. So tan 60, the value of tan 60 is root 3 equal to 50 upon h under root 3. Now cross multiply over here. So to get me 3h equal to 50, okay, and h equal to 50 by 3, which is equal to 50 by 3, means 48 whole 2 by 3 meter. Okay, so this is required height of building. Hence the height of building is 48 whole 2 by 3 meter. Okay, 48 whole 2 by 3 meter. This is required answer of question number 9. Okay children, now move to the question number 10. Now move to the question number 10. So in question number 10, it has been said that two poles of equal height are standing opposite to each other on the either side of the road. Okay, question number 10. It has been said that two poles equal height standing on each other on the each other side of the road. Okay, so we have two poles of equal height. This is first pole and this is the second pole of equal height standing to each other, which is 60 meter wide, and this is given 80 meter. Okay, 80 meter wide. The distance between the pole is given 80 meter, and also said from the point between them on the road, the angle of elevation top of the poles are 60 and 30. Okay, from the point, the angle of elevation of the top of pole. Okay, 60 and 30. This is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. Naming the point A, this is A, B, C, D, E. So we need to find the height of pole. Suppose this is a H. Okay, both is H. And also find the height of and the distance of the point from the pole. Distance between pole. Okay, this BC and CD also find. So let this is distance X, then CD is 80 minus X. Okay, so this is simple diagram to represent whole the problem. So we need to find height of the pole and BC and also CD. So first let us consider a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, so write in right triangle ABC, choose the tan 60 trigonometric ratio. So tan 60 degree equal to AB upon BC. AB is H and this is H. So this is under root 3 equal to H by X. R X equal to H by root 3. Again taking in right triangle CDE, right triangle CDE. Okay, in right triangle CDE, tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular upon base, means this is DE upon CD. So DE is H and CD is 80 minus X. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 equal to H upon 80 minus X. Now cross multiply. So 80 minus X equal to H under root 3. Okay, so substituting the value of X, H upon root 3 over here. So this become 80 minus H upon root 3 equal to H under root 3 and 80 equal to 60 H upon root 3 on right side. So it's become H by root 3. And now taking LCM. So this is a 3 plus 1 upon root 3. Okay, and that's equal to 80 root 3 by 4 is equal to 20 root 3. So height of the pole is 20 root 3. Okay, we have find out height of the pole 20 root 3 meter. H equal to 20 root 3 meter. This is required height of the pole, two poles. And also find the distance between the point, distance from the point between the pole, means BC and CD. We need to find. Now using, means substituting value of H over here. Okay, so distance BC equal to, which is X, and X is equal to H by root 3. So this is H upon root 3 and the value of H is 20 root 3. 20 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 cancel out. So BC equal to 20 meter. Okay, so distance between point and pole is 20 meters, and distance CD, which is equal to 80 minus X. Okay, so 80 and X is 20. So 80 minus 20 meter to 20 minus 20, 80 minus 20 to get me 60 meter. Okay, 60 meter. So dear children, this is the the required answer of question number 10. Okay.